That $6 can of WD-40 sitting in your garage can make your tires and wheels look like they just rolled off the showroom floor, and the detailers charging you $50 would rather you never found out. Almost nobody uses it on their tires the right way, and one wrong spray in the wrong spot can literally put you in a ditch. So stick around, because the very last trick is the one professional detailers use right before they sell a car, and it's the one they'll never admit to. Let's get into it. Number 6, cleaning your rims and alloy wheels. Here's what they don't tell you. That grimy black film baked onto your wheels isn't just dirt, it's brake dust, a mix of metal shavings and carbon that eats into the finish the longer it sits. Most people scrub for 20 minutes with expensive wheel cleaner and still can't shift it. Here's the kicker. Spray a little WD-40 onto a cloth, wipe it across the rim, give it a minute to break down the grime, then wipe clean. It lifts the brake dust and road tar that soap leaves behind, and it costs a fraction of a dedicated wheel cleaner. Just keep it off the brake components behind the wheel, and you're golden. Number 5, remove tar, bugs, and road grime. Number 5, removing tar, bug splatter, and stubborn road grime. Your tires and lower wheel area take a beating, melted road tar, dried bugs, sticky overspray that just won't wash off. Here's what most people miss. Water and soap barely touch that stuff because it's oil-based. Here's the kicker. WD-40 is a solvent, so it dissolves tar and bug residue on contact. Spray it onto a rag, work the spot in small circles, and watch it wipe away without you scrubbing a hole through your arm. Perfect for cleaning up after a long highway drive. Number 4, freeing a seized valve stem cap. Number 4, free a seized valve stem cap. Ever gone to check your tire pressure and found the little cap rusted solid, refusing to budge? Force it, and you will strip it or snap the valve, and now you have a slow leak on your hands. Here is the kicker. A single drop of WD-40 on the threads, 60 seconds to creep in, and that cap spins right off. Wipe the valve stem down while you are there. Keeping it clean means an accurate pressure reading every time, and that alone saves your tires from uneven wear. And if these are already saving you a trip to the detailer, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Now, the next 2 are where it gets good. Number 3, stripping off old tire dressing buildup. Here's the problem nobody warns you about. Those greasy tire shines build up layer after layer, going brown and blotchy, trapping dirt and turning your sidewalls into a streaky mess. Here's the kicker. WD-40. Cut straight through that old gunk. Wipe it across the sidewall, and it strips the buildup right back down to clean rubber, the perfect blank canvas, before you lay down a proper dressing. Think of it as the cleanup step every detailer does, and nobody films. Number 2, cleaning white walls and raised white lettering. Those white walls and letters, yellow and gray, out fast, and they're a nightmare to get bright again. Here's the kicker. WD-40 on a cloth lifts the road film and yellowing without you scrubbing the rubber raw. A light wipe brings the white back crisp and sharp, the kind of detail that makes an old set of tires suddenly look brand new. Just wipe any excess off the surrounding rubber when you're done. Number 1, the sidewall shine trick. And number 1, the sidewall shine trick the detailers won't admit to. This is the one you came for. Faded, gray, chalky sidewalls make even a freshly washed car look neglected. Here's the kicker. A light wipe of WD-40 across clean, dry sidewalls brings that deep, wet black look right back, and it costs pennies compared to a $15 bottle of tire shine. But listen closely, because this is where people mess up. This is cosmetic and temporary. It is not UV protection, and it'll fade after a rain or two, so for long-term care, use a real tire dressing. And here's the big one, sidewalls only. Never, ever spray it on the tread. WD-40 on the part of the tire that grips the road is a slip and slide waiting to happen. Keep it on the sidewall, keep it off the tread, and you'll have showroom fresh tires for your next photo or sale without spending a dime. So there you have it, 6 WD-40 tire and wheel tricks that save you real money and make your car look detailed for pennies. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want the WD-40 engine and interior hacks that can save you thousands in repairs, click the video on your screen right now. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.